how to share phone screen and control it remotely. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there is an application called Team Viewer which you will have to install in both of your phones. The phone from which you will be controlling and also the next phone which you will be controlling too. So go to your Play Store and then simply search for Team Viewer. This is the application that you would be looking for, TeamViewer Remote Control. Simply install this application. After that, launch the application in both of your device. After that, all you have to do is enter your partner ID, create an ID and then enter your partner ID, then tap on remote control, and from this application you would be able to control the other device remotely from your next device. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.